This is why you need to know about synthetic media. It's the AI revolution that's changing everything. Synthetic media is all about AI-generated or AI-modified content. Think deepfake videos where AI creates or tweaks realistic video footage, or AI-generated art and images like those stunning visuals from DALL-E. Then there's synthetic voices and music. Imagine AI mimicking human speech or composing catchy tunes. And let's not forget AI-written text, crafting scripts, articles, and even captions. Why is this cool? It's faster, cost-effective, and super personalized. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There's the risk of misinformation, ethical dilemmas, and potential job displacement. The future? Synthetic media is already transforming entertainment, marketing, and communication. But we need to tackle the ethical challenges head-on. Stay tuned because the AI content revolution is just getting started.